Welcome to a Journal with Me video. I hope you're doing well and staying home. Please don't go out if it's not necessary. Even if your country is not under a complete lockdown, it is for your own safety and the safety of your loved ones. Now, getting into the video, I post new free printables every month, and for the month of April, I thought of doing some art quotes because I know everyone loves using quotes in their journals in one form or the other. I will put a link to all the products that I have used to make this spread along with all my previous free printables in the description box below, so make sure you check that out. I didn't really have a particular theme in mind while making this spread, but just wanted it to be neutral and subtle. The grid and the block or the plain colored washi tapes are from AliExpress, and the floral one is from an Instagram shop called JM Clory. And the striped one on the left hand side that you see is from my February free print. The stickers that you'll see later on in the video are from a small online shop based in France, and the owners Cynthia and Simone were really very kind and sent me a few of their stickers to try. I will leave a link to their shop in the description box along with the link to their free printables as well. I didn't really write anything on camera because A, I'm very shy to do that, and B, I feel it's too personal to do it. But if you could follow me on Instagram, you can see the completed spread there, and you might have even seen that in the thumbnail because your girl forgot to click a picture before writing. Uh, Also, a lot of people had said yes for a Journal with Me video in Hindi as per my Instagram poll. The next Journal with Me video would be in Hindi, I promise. Since this was the first video where I was doing a voiceover, I didn't want it to be in Hindi technically because I know I have a larger audience which doesn't understand Hindi. Um, well, I hope you enjoyed this little journaling session with me. If you did, then please do like and share this video, and also please consider subscribing to my channel if you have liked the content that I have been putting up. I post a new video every week. I hope you have a good day or night as per when you're watching the video. Stay home, stay safe. See ya. Bye. Take care.